We are pleased to show you the 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, power passenger seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.